Hi, this is Trade at Par with Tradefada. On today's episode, I will be explaining the topic exchange. According to the Oxford Dictionary, an exchange simply means the act of giving one thing and receiving another, especially of the same kind, in return. Quite simple, right? So let's dive into what a cryptocurrency exchange means. A crypto exchange is a digital marketplace where traders can buy and sell crypto using different fiat currencies or altcoins. It acts as an intermediary between buyers and sellers of cryptocurrency. We can trade on an exchange using electronic monetary units, fiat currencies, or other digital assets. For example, dollars, euros, pounds are fiat currencies. These are currencies that governments declare as legal tender, while digital assets are assets that exist electronically, such as domain names, files, or digital currencies. One of the many reasons why people utilize them is their anonymity feature. Nobody knows who the buyers and sellers are. Are you in need of a unique, reliable, and user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange to trade? Visit Tradefada.com to buy, sell, and trade your favorite cryptocurrencies at the best rates. Hope you enjoyed this video. To learn more, click the link in the description below.